08 F150. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a new tensioner pulley on today. That pulley right down in there, right down, you can see the gray one kind of, okay? That's the tension pulley. Only thing we done so far was remove the breather, okay? Breather components from the intake. That was two simpler washers right there. One washer here, that was on it, basically a clamp washer, right? And then one right here, clamp washer, and removed it from the breather intake. Okay, let's tuck that off. And what we're gonna do now is just, it's very simple. We're gonna get this bracket out the way so we can reach that that tensioner right down. See if I can get my finger for that tensioner right down in there. So we remove this. We're gonna move this bracket out the way. That was one simple screw nut. Move that out the way, which also going to allow us to move this out the way so we can reach it better. That should be just about all you have to take off. All right.